Welcome to the Getting Started series for Peernet's document conversion service. There are 5 videos in this series. Video 1 covers how to install Document Conversion Service, DCS for short. Before we start, make sure the computer you are using has a minimum of 4 cores and 4 GB of RAM for optimal performance at small to medium document volumes, is running a 64-bit version of Microsoft Windows 7 or above. Also, depending on the type of documents you want to convert, you may also need to install third-party applications that are required for the conversion process to be successful. For example, you will need to install Adobe Reader if you intend on converting PDF files. Similarly, you will need Microsoft Office installed if you intend on converting Office documents. We discuss this further in our Editing DCS Configuration File video. Right now, we are on Peernet.com on the Document Conversion Service product page. You can request a trial of Document Conversion Service by clicking the Trial Download button and entering a valid email address to have the trial download link sent to you. If you've already purchased DCS, you don't need to download the trial again. You can download a purchase copy from your online account instead. The trial will allow you to test DCS Level 1, which processes 3 documents concurrently. See our license level video to learn more about our licensing options. Click the link in the email you received to download the trial setup. Once downloaded, double-click the trial setup file. If you are installing a purchased version of DCS instead, the name will be different and it will include the release number. Remember, you'll need to be logged in under an account that has administrative privileges to run the install. Click Next to begin walking through the install wizard. Click I accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. Enter your name and company information. Select Create or Use Existing DCS Admin User Account to create the local DCS Admin account for starting DCS and Watch Folder service. DCS Admin is a special user account with administrative privileges that DCS uses to run the underlying conversion service. DCS Admin is a local administrator account that can only access folders and files stored locally on the computer. It has no ability to access the network or any shared folders. If you plan on converting from network folders, we show how to change this account to one that can access shared folders in another video, changing the login account. For now, we will create and use the DCS Admin account. Create a password for the DCS Admin account. We highly recommend saving the password someplace safe, as you will need to re-enter the password every time you update the software on your machine. Enter the install location for Document Conversion Service or leave the default path. You can leave the defaults on the group name screen. Click Next to begin installation. After installation is complete, uncheck both boxes. We will edit the DCS configuration file together first, before starting DCS. Continue to the next tutorial in this Getting Started series, Editing DCS Configuration File, to see how to control which applications DCS will start when converting files. This is useful if you are only converting 1 or 2 types of files, as there is no need to run the other applications. This allows DCS to start faster and can optimize conversion performance. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.